Hi Carrie and Sarah, here's your video tutorial. So right now you'll recognize that we're in the admin, in the dashboard. So I'll show you a few things just to make everything a little bit easier. So first of all, we'll start with pages. So you'll come down here, click on pages. We already have About Us and the contact and your blog. So you can click on About Us and you can edit your information there and choose whether you want this page to be full width or with a sidebar, and just press save. You can also add a page here. Next we'll come over to your collections. Here you can add any type of collection that you'd like to display within your shop. Right now we have new arrivals in clothing. Here is your products. So what you'll do is you'll click here and you'll add a product, enter the title, the description, the different category that you'd like it to be in. You can create a new one there as well. And you'll scroll down, you'll enter the price, a SKU number if you'd like, and just the different information here you can choose if you're doing your inventory or what have you. And choose your image here. You can add it to the collection that you've just made, new arrivals or clothing, or your own that you choose to make. Enter any tags here, which is used for search engines, and it's great to have tags, so as many as you possibly can use to link to that product is good. So then your search engine, the same thing, the tags, very important. Press save and you'll have your product. So next you'll come over here to the navigation, which is the top menu bar of the website on the home page. So we've already created some for you here, which you can see on the main page. So you can add another link to the menu if you'd like. As well, we have them here and we have them set up already. So what we'll do is we'll just add one. You'll name the title here and you'll just click if you'd like it in any of these areas, okay? And make sure that you save after. Next, we'll come over here to your blog posts. So I did a test one here. We'll just do another quick one just to show you the steps. You'll enter the title, of course, and the content. You can click here and insert images, bold your text, different alignment and bullet points. And to add a featured image to the post, which is very important, you need one for every single post that you put. You'll just click in this box here and click on this insert image. And once you do that, just make sure, for example, we're going to choose this one. Just make sure down here you click, I think this is a good size. Anything larger than this you'll definitely need. Anything smaller, it won't work very well. So make sure that you choose that option and click Insert Image. And you can choose the different authors, add your tags, your search engine, and press Save. The next area that we'll go to is the customizing the theme, which is what we've already have everything set up already. It's pretty tricky, so I don't believe that there's much that you need to do in this area because it's already completed, but you can play around with it if you feel. So we've added your logo, we've added the different options that we discussed already, and here you can just zoom through these and see the different options that you have. Here's where you change the social media icon colors. This is the text that's located on the top, and you can change the size of that also. This is for your sliders, the big pictures, the banners. So we have already posted them, but if you'd like to post another one, you just click here, choose the file. This is what links the image to another page. So that's the URL you'll need in there. And that's self-explanatory here. Different options here are, on the main page you'll see we have it set as new arrivals, and it's a list of the different products that you have listed. It's basically like a featured product area. So that's set here. You can always change that to anything that you want, and you could create a new one. It's how many products display on the front page. We put it at 6. It seems like a nice visual effect. It looks nice. And here are for the 3 pictures below. They're set at that width so that they can all 3 fit on the page. And you'll just choose the file here, and this is again what links the picture to a page. And this one we've linked it to the blog, so you can choose different ones. Here you can add text to your home page. We tried to do it, but I didn't feel it looked the best, so you can definitely see for yourself. And that's just basically text added to your page, your front page, and we selected it from the About Us page, but you can choose that if you feel that you want to do that. So here's your Instagram information. This has been set up for you already, so you don't need to do anything here. And basically you can just go through these on your own in your own time and just take a look at that. If you have your Twitter widget ID, you can add that in there. I mentioned that we're waiting for the MailChimp, so we'll need your MailChimp list URL, and that'll get your newsletter linked up. We added this info here. And here are your social media links, which we have added. Some of them you have to add just the handle and some the URL, so make sure that they're the right format, that they're asking for a handle or URL. And everything else has been already set up. I wish you great success with your business. It was great working with you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll also send you the link of your templates support, and so they have everything here. This is global settings for all themes, so you can click here. It's just little helpful topics, just certain things that you might need to know. And as well, you can scroll down here, and for this theme you have a bunch of different helpful options. And you can scroll down, and there's also another page here which you can click. And then you can always email, and they'll definitely make sure that they have answered any of your questions. Okay, Carrie and Sarah, best of luck to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.